I got the pressure washer apart. The pressure is cycling or not coming on at all. So what I did to fix it is just one of these cheaper, like box store pressure washers. I found a small spring that fit in there, put a 1/4-20 nut there and a 1/4-20 bolt, and then I'll bolt it back up, and then we can set the tension with this screw now. Oh yeah, I got it plugged back in. There's the gun. So if we take the gun and screw it, so it's got a leak internally in the pump or something. So that screw is now compensating for it. Anyways, it took me a little bit to figure it out, but I thought I'd show you that.